Hi everyone and welcome to Scepter Pilot. Thank you for watching my videos and sharing your feedback and inputs on my earlier videos. If you haven't seen them yet, go back and take a look at it right now. This video was long due. I shot this on my solo trip to Gokarna and Goa in November last year. This is the route I took to complete the entire trip. I went via Bangalore to Chitradurga to Shivamogga and then to Sagara, Honnavara, Gokarna and Palolem in Goa. And on the way back I took the coastal route until Karwar and then to Sirsi, Ranebennur, Chitradurga and back to Bangalore. Do stay tuned for the entire video to view some sights of the gorgeous twisties of the Gairsoppa National Park, the Sharavati Valley, the Kasarkod beach and not to forget some beautiful aerial shots of the Arabian Sea in Gokarna and Goa. The road all the way from Shivamogga to Honnavara is absolutely gorgeous, especially after you cross Sagara and enter the Sharavati Wildlife Sanctuary. The roads as recent as June 2021 are of very superior quality. About 30 kilometers after Sagara, you'll find a deviation to the world famous Jog Falls. In this trip I didn't visit the falls, but I always spend a few minutes on this bridge just soaking the sights and sounds of the beautiful Western Ghats and the Sharavati river. While passing through the Gairsoppa National Park, keep an eye out to spot the endangered lion-tailed macaque, or Singalika as we call it in Kannada. You'll also pass by a viewpoint from where you'll get a gorgeous view of the Sharavati Valley. Once you leave Gairsoppa and reach Honnavara, do consider a brisk visit to Kasarkod beach in Honnavara. After getting a few pictures from Kasarkod beach, it was a straight run to Gokarna. The roads all the way from Honnavara to Gokarna, and in fact all the way up to Goa, are beautiful. I didn't actually record on the GoPro for the remainder of the trip, but I did get some beautiful aerial shots of the Arabian Sea in Gokarna and Goa. Do hang on just for a few more minutes to watch some beautiful bird's eye views. Before I forget to mention, I went kayaking too. Before we jump into the cinematic footage, here are some aerial stills that I clicked. Early in the day, it was whispered that we should sail in a boat. Only thou and I, and never a soul in the world would know of this, our pilgrimage to no country and to no end. In that shoreless ocean, and thy silently listening, smile my songs would swell in melodies. Free as waves, free from all bondage of words. Is the time not come yet? Are there works still to do? Lo, the evening has come down upon the shore, and in the fading light, the seabirds come flying to their nests. Who knows when the chains will be off, and the boat, like the last glimmer of sunset, vanish